DJI Osmo Action 6. It's an unboxing video. I need to test a couple of accessories. This microphone in particular with this. I know it works, but I need to test because I've also got this camera and a couple of accessories, so I need to do a little test on that. So what is the DJI Osmo Action 6, the enhanced combo? There's also one called the adventure combo, and they're more or less the same. So in this one, and I believe this is potentially the perfect camera for a business owner. So if you enjoy actions and that, yeah, this is great for you. But also if you're a business owner, you know you need to make videos for your YouTube channel and your social media, and you put it up, probably like myself, this is the perfect camera for you. So in here, there's a 1.5 meter extension rod, and I'll show you that in a moment. There is two batteries. So there's two batteries in this. In the adventure one, there is three. The battery case, same. So it holds three batteries in the actual case. The actual specs. So there's a 1/1.1 lens, sensor, which is square. That's going to be interesting. Variable aperture, so that works similar to lenses that you would normally have on your more professional cameras. So it does things like that. Move that out of the way comfortably. Where was that? Lenses, yeah, 4 hours. So each battery is 4 hours, so it's got cold resistant. So if you are in snow, in icy conditions, so again, if you're running as for adventures and that, perfect. But also if you're outside as a business owner, maybe a mechanic filming cars, driving instructor, a gardener, this is perfect. So we've got the Osmo audio, and there's an app as well that works with it. That app is going to be crucial. There's 50 gig storage, but you can put an SD card out so you can take it out. But this is perfect if you don't have videos or a video editing computer and you're going to do it on your phone. And it's waterproof for 20 meters. What we'll do, this is the stuff that's in there, but I'll pull it out to show you. So I'll bust this open with a knife so I can look more graceful on camera. So in here, so yeah, come into here. Obviously the lights, we can use the lights, and I'll show you that in a video. I'm going to do a DJI Osmo 6 beginner's guide and full tutorial, and I'll link to that video after this. But I'm also going to cover some of the accessories and the settings. Obviously the mic's going to work. These are for the DJI Pocket, and I'm not knocking the Pocket, it's perfect. These are some of the accessories, and I'll cover that in separate videos to do with the Pocket itself, and that's to do with that. So I can use the legs from this camera also with the DJI, but let's the Action, sorry. So let's see what's in the boxes. Let's slide them out. So start at the bottom. Instructions probably. Instructions and QR codes. I can go there. I have already got the app downloaded because I got the other DJI. So this is your extension. There's a screw mount at the bottom, so it can be extended with those little feet I was showing you there. It can go on a tripod, and to extend that, do we pull? Do we twist? Oh, pull and twist. Now, we'll have a play with that in a moment. So that's part of the kit. Let's move that out of the way. So accessories. USB-C to USB-C charging and data cable. That's not part of the kit. We'll move that out of the way for the moment. In here is your thumb screws. We have the plates. These are magnetic and grippy. We have two. Okay, there's no hole at the bottom. So okay, some of that must be on another Action camera. This is my first Action camera, so it's a bit like Christmas. I'll leave links to everything I've discussed in the show notes descriptions below. Battery case. So this is a charger, so we can charge via that. I move that out the way so I can see if I'm in focus. Yeah. So that's the USB-C, so we can charge in there. Batteries. So there's a third. So if you get the adventure combo, it does include the third battery, but each battery is 4 hours. 4 hours. So I've got 8 hours. That should be fine on that. So the camera itself. To move that, and there's nothing else in the box. No. So we have the batteries in there. I've got some notes. So these are 1950 mAh capacity, charging case. So I believe they're compatible with the previous, at least the last 2 generations, I believe. Mounts, the 2 magnetic mounts. So they, oh, okay, that's some grip on that. So it's magnetic. Doesn't matter with your orientation. So I think previously you had to make sure you were the logo in front. This doesn't matter now. And they do grip on. Obviously you want that grip. It's an action camera, so you might be going up and down slopes, and this might be mounted on your car. You can get accessories, so you can mount this on your car and all sorts. The extension pole, and there's one in the adventure combo as well. USB cables, yeah. So that's so. And the other thing, the adventure kit has a curve version of one of these, which is sticky, and I believe, or on this side, sorry. So I believe it can be stuck to a helmet, something with a curve on it. So if you're motorbiking and stuff like that, the adventure combo will probably be yourself. So the actual sensor in this is the bigger one they've got. So the version 6 has got the bigger sensor. We've got a display in the front and display in the back. This sensor here, so not the camera sensor, this sensor here, I believe that's for picking up so that it gets the correct color temperature. So it's a kind of like, you know, because being an action camera, you haven't got time to be half the time changing settings, because your environment's going to be changing. So the idea is this will see what your environment's like and probably adjust the color temperature accordingly. If it does do that, that's going to be super. You can get attachments on this. So lens attachments, if I zoom in a bit. Yeah, so you can get lens attachments that can squeeze on. I believe there's one for increases the field of view wide, and there's also a macro one. I haven't got them. Moving around the camera. So these are little stickers that's indicating if I push and pull down. Yeah, when you see red, that's basically danger, except for the top button, or it's dangerous if you were recording, I suppose, or stopping it. So red, if you see red, you've got a problem. You don't want, because it's waterproof, you don't want to be seeing red. So there's the USB-C connection there, and that you want locked down so you're not seeing any red. That makes sense. This one here, pull and push up. Well, so we have the battery, which can go in there. You'll see there's a slot there for an SD card, a micro SD card that can go in there as well. I haven't got that. There is 50 gig of onboard storage. So as I said, this is actually the perfect camera for a business owner that wants or needs to, I say needs to make videos for their social media and their YouTube. A driving instructor, a beautician, this will be perfect on a little tripod. Filming, if you do beauty, hairs for bridal hair, makeup for brides. This little camera, you can set it up on a little tripod. That's where this would work, and the legs of this, but you can buy separate ones as well, and I'll leave a link to that. As I said, I'll do a video, the DJI Osmo Action 6 beginner guide and tutorial, because I've got to learn this for myself as well. So I am going to put that on there. That slides in like that. We get a thumb screw, and basically we're just screwing that in. You'll see this, what might seem over-engineered, so it's screwed, but the idea of that, because it's an action camera, you don't want that coming off, and you don't want that coming off, and that would clip into there. Yeah, so it's magnetically held and then also locked in with the two clips at the bottom. Camera on. Let me get my phone. Turn on the DJI. So I got the app because I got it there. Action 6. The nice thing about this with the app is I'm going to be using this to film various things, but one of them is going to be in a restaurant, sliding it between the stainless steel wall and the chef, and I'm going to be this side on, so I'm probably going to get something so I can hold the camera this way, and I won't be able to see the front of the screen like this, or I won't see the back, so I won't see what the chef is up to unless I'm using the mobile. And I can just press record. I bring that in. Yeah, I've got to connect first. Let's connect. Join. It might prompt me to update the firmware. I'll do that later. As I said, I'll do that in that walkthrough. So the whole beginner's guide and the tutorial. Playback in progress. Back to live view. It's asking me to go back to live view. So if I press record now, so the app is showing me what the camera is seeing. Now, if you need this semi-permanent, so as I said, you might be a barber and you've got that set up and you want to come back every so often, press record to record your skills as a barber or a hairdresser or a driving instructor, and you've got this mounted. You might have this in the back of your limo, and as I said, I'm going to be using this within a kitchen, and I can just press record. It is now recording. Yeah, it's recording. We can see there, and I can see exactly what it's doing on the screen. Yeah, so I'm going to stop that. So that's one benefit of the app and this together. Another thing I should cover about the camera itself, what makes it fairly unique and sort of go better than things like this, is the sensor inside is actually square. So it films, you can have a setting on there so it can actually film this square footage, and from that square footage you can take horizontal or you can take vertical. So you can film something once and have footage that is horizontal or vertical. Now I want to test the microphone, so I know it'll work. What I want to know is, will it work or still work if I've got the pocket? Because what I don't want to be doing is keep pairing, because the idea is I turn this on. So let me go. Is it that? No, it's not. That was wrong. Let's bring that up there. I need to pull it down. Yeah, so we want, works the same as the pocket. I want the little nut or cog, wireless microphone. Let's turn that on. No. So I need to pair it. Okay. So if I press pair, so it's now going to be pairing, he says confidently. Okay, that's paired. The audio systems between their devices is second to none. You can visually see, so if I confirm that now, 1 2 1 2, you can see again, I haven't checked levels and stuff like that, but 1 2 1 2, you can see visually I'm connected. And if I exit that, at the top there you look at that line at the top, when I talk, you can see that is active. So if I shut off the camera and shut off the mic, so let's turn off the camera, turn off the mic. So both are off. You're out there, you're about to do what you need to do. This is why I say this is perfect for the, this is perfect for anybody, but absolutely brilliant for a business owner who doesn't want to spend time learning how to use the entire camera kit, just wants to do it. So we turn on the camera prompt, that, 1 2 1 2, obviously it's not connected. Now if I turn it on, so I banged my wall finger the other day when I was semi skydiving. Okay, and that's it. It's now connected. The two devices, you can see if I move that towards you, you can see the green line being active and the yellow. Obviously, I wouldn't normally have it like this. Have it a bit down here, and that I need to check the levels anyway. So that's why I like these systems. Oh, the microphone was too close. That's why I like these systems. The DJI, it just works. Now, what I want to do, as I'm now convinced that it's probably broken because I had to press the pair button. Now, if I turn this on, can I turn this off? Turn this off. And 1 2 1 2. Now I've lost it. So that would mean I have to repair, as in repair this, not repair it. It's not broken. And press that. And that's connected, confirmed. Okay, so it's not ideal. So I will order another one of these. That's the back of the camera. Obviously, front, I can see myself clearly. Selfie mode works perfectly. So if I go to full screen, you can see I move that there. That works perfect. So if you're filming there, you can see what's happening in the camera. Obviously, it's not focusing because it's trying to film something and film itself. The back of the camera, if it's filming me, I can see clearly like that. And with the extension, don't make sure that's locked in. I haven't got all the way because I'll hit the roof. That comes off. That's part of the packaging. I'll leave you the length of this